Hello everyone! Are you curious about how high the seat should be on a bike? Let's explore! Determining the correct seat height is essential for comfort, efficiency, and injury prevention while cycling. When your seat is at the proper height, you'll experience better power transfer, reduced strain on your knees, and improved overall riding experience. To find the optimal seat height, start by placing your bike on a flat surface and wearing your cycling shoes. Sit on the saddle and position one pedal at the lowest point of its rotation, ensuring that your foot is flat and parallel to the ground. Your leg should have a slight bend at the knee, ideally around 25 to 35 degrees. If your leg is fully extended or excessively bent at the knee, adjust the seat height accordingly. Make small adjustments and test the fit until you find the perfect position. Keep in mind that slight variations in seat height may be necessary for different types of riding, such as road cycling, mountain biking, or commuting. Once you've found the right seat height, mark the position or take note of the measurements for future reference. It's also a good idea to periodically check and readjust your seat height as your fitness level, flexibility, and riding style may change over time. In summary, finding the correct seat height is crucial for comfort, efficiency, and injury prevention while cycling. Follow the guidelines mentioned above to adjust your seat height properly and enjoy a more comfortable and enjoyable riding experience. With the right seat height, you'll maximize power transfer, minimize strain on your knees, and ride with greater confidence and ease. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.